Welcome back. This is Mr. Greenstein's Geometry, and we're in Chapter 6, Section 5, Indirect Proof and Inequalities in One Triangle. This is the third of 3 videos, and now we're going to tackle the problem of forming a triangle with 3 segments. If we were given 3 segments, say we're given 5, 3, and 7 in length, could we put those together to make a triangle? And in fact, you can, because the distance of 5 plus the distance of 3 is greater than the distance of 7. So that would make a triangle. You could do that. Whereas over here, if I try to put these together into a triangle, I'd have a problem because 4.1 plus 1.5 is less than 6.8. So you're going to have some gap in there. So it's not going to work. So the way that we know is by looking at the sum of the triangle sides and seeing if they're greater than the third side. So the triangle inequalities theorem says the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. So in this case, I have 5 plus 3 is greater than 7. 5 plus 7 is greater than 3. 3 plus 7 is greater than 5. In all cases, it works. But over here, I don't have a triangle because in one particular case, 1.5 plus 4.1 is less than 6.8. Therefore, you can't make a triangle. All 3 of them would have to pass, and only 2 of them do. So let's look at these lengths. 8, 12, and 21. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, and 20 is not greater than 21. So this is a big fat no, you can't do it. Over here, on the second one, I have 6.2 plus 7 is 13.2, which is greater than 9. So yes, I can make a triangle out of those. And the third one, 4.3 plus 5.7 is equal to 10, and 10 is not greater than 10. It's equal to, and you can't make a triangle out of the same length. They have to be at least a little bit different. So this is a big fat no. Let's look at a problem here where we're going to pretend that we don't know where San Francisco and Oakland are. We just are given this information. It's kind of silly, but we're going to say that San Jose is 51 miles from San Francisco, which it is, and it's 46 miles from Oakland, but we don't know the distance between these 2 cities. So let's figure out what are the possible ranges. Well, if I put 51 miles and 46 miles together, like this, then the last part of this is at most, or at least 5 miles. So this last part here is 5 miles. But what if I make this longwise? I'll make this one the 51, and then this is the 46. If I connect the 2 together, then the distance is going to be somewhere around 97, and actually a little bit less than 97. So x, which is my distance between the 2, ends up to be somewhere between 5, so it's greater than 5, and it's less than 97. So then this is my answer for what are the approximate distances, the range of distances between San Francisco and Oakland. And we will continue this conversation in class the next day.